Hi, I'm Alia. So today I thought it would be nice to teach you how to count up to 20 in Slovenian. So let's just start. Nič, 0, nič, 0, ena, 1, ena, dva, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and last 20, 20, 20. Okay? So let's count from 0 to 20 now. Nič, ena, dva, tri, štiri, pet, šest, sedem, osem, devet, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that's it. So in the next video I will try and teach you how to count up to 100. So yeah, let me know if you have any ideas or suggestions on what my next video should be. See you soon, yeah, bye!